Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a calendar for any month using Python step by step. So if you are new here, consider subscribing for more coding tutorial and project ideas like this one. So first of all, let me show you how the program works. I will run my code here from the terminal. Now we need to type which year we want to display, say 2025, and then the month, type 12, month of December. So the program display the month of December 2025. You can even see that Christmas will be on Thursday next year. So this is how our program works. Let's see how we can create this program step by step.